The North Pole is one of the last unspoilt natural areas in the world, but climate change causes the polar ice cap to melt in record time. This is a big problem because in addition to being the natural habitat of polar bears, the Arctic is also the air conditioning of our planet. The Arctic ice reflects sunlight and heat, which is otherwise absorbed by the dark seawater. Without that air conditioning, the temperature on Earth rises and heat waves, hurricanes and heavy floods become a common occurrence. The melting of the ice cap makes the Arctic accessible to oil companies who want to exploit the oil and gas reserves there, but they are not prepared for the severe weather conditions and risk an oil disaster in that unique region. Far away from civilization and in icy conditions, cleaning up an oil spill is impossible. Russia, the United States, Canada, Iceland and the Scandinavian countries are the first who want to exploit the resources under the ice. Large fleets of fishing boats increasingly venture further north, attracted by the large fish populations under the ice. An ice-free North Pole is also a shortcut for transport ships to and from the Far East. Is it still possible to stop this madness? We believe so. Millions of people have already joined our demand to make the Arctic a nature reserve, protected against any type of industrial exploitation. Defend the North Pole too. Please visit savethearctic.org.